IGIS, Integrated Geo Instruments and Services Private Limited. The new era of locating yourself. Design, development and production of geoscientific instruments. Authorized dealers for
Integrated Geo Instrument Services Private Limited, in short IGIS, the leading manufacturers of geophysical instruments, have equipments from the simplest to the sophisticated. Now we are in a process of demonstrating our model SSR MP1. This is our equipment SSR MP1 model, which is a microprocessor based equipment. It's simple and sophisticated, having an operation of simple buttons of start and stop to process the data. The equipment works on the same methodology of 4 electrode systems, 2 potential and 2 electrodes. The electrodes are separated as per the requirement based on the methodologies we adopt, like Schlumberger, Venner, inverse slope method. Now we are going to start the demonstration of the equipment, how to operate it using a methodology Schlumberger. We have the chart of Schlumberger methodology, wherein our AB by 2 values and MN by 2 values are placed accordingly. Here if you see, the first measurement of MN by 2 is 0.5 meters and 1.5 meters is AB by 2. If you observe the electrode separation from the center, the 2 potential electrodes are 0.5 meters distance from the center point. In the similar manner, the current electrodes are plugged at the distance of 1.5 meters from the center. Now we are starting up with the first measurement. Now I am starting up the exercise using Schlumberger methodology. As I mentioned, here we have the potential and current electrode cables spread across. I am just connecting the P1, P2 and C1, C2 to the instrument. Then I have plugged in the battery power pack to it. Similarly, on the other side we have a notch this way. Just check and position it accordingly and then fix it accordingly. Now the equipment is connected with the power supply and we are ready for the operation. Now, as mentioned, the measurements are accordingly. Now, when we press the start button, the measurement starts. You can observe there, it is giving an average reading, and we just need to check the consistency of it. Once if the readings are consistent, we can just press stop for the operation. If you observe on the screen, you would find the resistivity values and SP values. Now I am taking the measurement, first measurement of resistivity values with a separation of 0.5 meters of Mn by 2 and 1.5 meters of Ab by 2 values. The measurement what we have received, R value is 3.1254. Now we are starting with the second measurement. If you observe, Mn by 2 is 0.5 meters and AB by 2 is 2 meters. Here if you see, the potentials are placed on 0.5 meters and current is shifted to 2 meters accordingly. After the connections are placed properly, we are going up with the second measurement. In the similar manner, if you observe there, the above one is the 1 by 16 is number of stacks, and below R value is been averaged, and we need to check for the consistent value. Once it is consistent, we can just press stop for 3 seconds and leave it. Here is the value of the second reading. R value is 1.59373. Okay. In the similar manner, now we are shifting to the third point, that is wherein AB by Mn by 2 is again 1.5 meters distance and AB by 2 is increased to 3 meters. The electrodes, if you observe, Mn by 2 is positioned in the same way at the distance of 0.5 meters at either side, and current AB by 2 is shifted to 3 meters at the other side. For the next measurement, let us press the start button, allow the instrument to take the measurements. As usual, check for the consistent reading of R. It might be 3 or 4 stacks depending upon the area or more, and then once it is consistent, press stop for 3 seconds. Now the reading is 0.86947. In a similar manner, now we are going to take the measurements accordingly as per the chart and the depth of penetration required with the respective of separations as per the methodology. Further, the presentation continues with the presentation how to process the data. Precautions. When we take the measurements, in case if you get an indication of check electrodes, current electrodes, that means the connection of the electrodes are not properly being placed. Check the connection, refix it and start the operation again. Here you can observe you are getting the reading accordingly. This equipment can go up to the depth of 600 meters. For the convenience of transportation, we have come up with a new concept, 4-winch mechanism, wherein if you observe, you have the 4 winches in it, potential and current, and the electrodes are placed in it. This is very compactly placed in the box, and the power pack space is also there. This can be easily packed and carried accordingly. Models SSR MT1 and AT is supplied with such concept of 4-winch mechanism or in a similar way.